Hello and welcome to Cass Academy and Mastery's class on using an abacus. Today we're doing 2-digit plus 2-digit addition. Our first problem is going to be 95 plus 13. So we're going to start in the tens place. We're going to go 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. We're going to add 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we've got 95. We're going to add 13. So we have 1 10 and 3 ones in 13. And here we're going to switch this. And so we have 100 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So our first problem is 108, 95 plus 13. Our next problem is going to be 28, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 28 plus 99. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 for 90, and 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So for our answer, we have 100, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. So we have 127. Our next problem is 11 plus 59. We make 11, we have 1 10 and 1 1 and the number 11. And then we have 59, so in 59 we have 5 10, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 9 ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And so we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. I'm gonna switch this, 70. So our answer is 70. Our next problem is going to be 45 plus 32. We have 2, 3, 4 tens and 5 ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 45 and we're gonna add 32. We have 1, 2, 3 for 30 and 2 ones. And so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have 70. We have the same number down here, so we have 77. Our next problem is going to be 25 plus 30. So for 25, we have 2 tens and 5 ones. And for 30, we have 3 tens and 0 ones. So we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 1, 52, 53, 54, 55. So for 25 plus 30, we have 55. Our next problem is going to be 33 plus 53. So for 33 plus 53, we're going to need 3 tens and 3 ones. We have 33. And now we're going to add 53. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 1, 52, 53. So we have 53. And so we've got 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86. So for 33 plus 53, we have 86. Our next problem is going to be 53 plus 62. So we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 51, 52, 53. And we're going to add 62. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 1, 2, 62. So we have 100, 110, and 5 ones. So that is 115. Our next problem is going to be 24 plus 46. So for 24, we have 2 10s and 4 1s. So we have 24, and we're gonna add 46. So we're gonna need 4 10s and 6 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And since we've used all of these, we're gonna switch it. And so we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. So the answer for 24 plus 46 is 70. Our next problem is going to be 51 plus 79. So for 51, we're gonna have 5 10s, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1 1. And we're going to add 79, so we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And we're gonna add 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And we're gonna switch it. So for 51 plus 79, we have 1 in our hundreds place, 3 in our tens place, and nothing in our ones place, and so we have the number 130. Our next problem is going to be 49 plus 77. So for 49 plus 77, we've got 4 10s and 9 1s. So we're gonna move 4 10s and 9 1s, and we're gonna add, now we're gonna add 77. So we're gonna go 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77. So now we have 1 in our hundreds place, 2 in our tens place, and 6 in our ones place. So we have the number 126. So for 49 plus 77, we have 126. And our last problem for today is going to be 59 plus 77. So we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, plus 77, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77. So for 59 plus 77, we have 1 in the hundreds place, 3 in the tens place, and 6 in the ones place. And so we have 136. So that finishes our lesson for today on 2-digit plus 2-digit addition using an abacus. Thank you for joining us.